Let me tell you how important it is for us to fill up Araneta Coliseum as fast as we can. Because, nadito ako sa Amerika, kailangan ko ang tulong nyo. Kung kakausapin ko halimbawa, nagkataon na kakausapin ko si P. Diddy. Ang sarap naman kausapin si Diddy na hihingi tayo ng sponsorship deal na sold out na yung tickets sa Araneta. Pero sa ngayon, okay lang. Di naman tayo nagmamadali. Mapupuno din yan dahil every day, I see everyone buying their tickets. So, yung hindi makakabila ng ticket, pasensya na lang. As of now, I got meetings upon meetings. I got all kinds of trips here in New York. I got 2 shows coming up. I'll catch up with y'all later. You know how I do.